In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add on-chain signals indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and have a chart open, ideally in TradingView Pro, so you get the best performance and layout options. Once your chart is visible on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any study or script you want to apply to your chart. After you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Click directly on that search bar so you can start typing. This search function is how you quickly filter through all of the built-in and community-created indicators inside TradingView, which can be a huge time saver when you already know the name of the tool you want. Now, in the search bar, type on-chain signals. Type it carefully and wait a second for TradingView to load the results. You should see the on-chain signals indicator appear in the list below. If there are multiple results with similar names, look for the one that clearly matches on-chain signals. Once you've located it, click on it one time. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the indicator onto your chart, usually overlaying or appearing in a separate pane depending on how it's designed. With the indicator now added, look on your chart for its name in the upper left of the pane where it's displayed. Next to the indicator's name, you'll see a small settings icon, often shaped like a gear. Click on this settings icon to open the configuration window. Here, you can adjust things like colors, visibility, and any custom inputs provided by the on-chain signals script. Take a moment to review these settings and tweak them so they match your trading style and are easy for you to read at a glance. Finally, to get the full benefits and any premium features associated with on-chain signals, make sure you use the sign-up link in the video description. Open the description below this video, click the link provided there, and follow the instructions on the website to create your account or upgrade if needed. Once you've signed up, you'll be ready to use the on-chain signals indicator inside TradingView Pro quickly and efficiently.